1, 2, 3. Wow, that clap even. Gone. Here we go. I've got everything that we're going to need for this project. So yeah, the insulation to go inside the frame, the 3/4 inch MDF for the frame itself, as well as some screen and fabric for the face of the panel. We've got some screws to attach it all together, staples, and a staple gun to actually attach those things to the frame, and obviously some general tools that you would need for this sort of project. The one thing that I did do that was a little bit different, that's not here, and we'll get to it later, is how we're actually going to be attaching it to the wall. But now that we've got all of our materials, let's get started. So, as I said, I used 3/4 MDF for the frames on these things. The width, height, and the thickness were all determined by the insulation itself. I took the little bag and read the dimensions off of that and just made sure to add the thickness of my material to that. And for the most part, that was really it for the design step of this. I cut 2 long pieces for each of the sides and then 3 short pieces for the top, bottom, and then a cross brace on the back that we would actually end up using for our mounting situation. For me, that mounting block just went at the very top of each of these because they're all going to be mounted, well, not like that one, but like these two down here, just vertically like that. So if you're planning on setting these up for a different sort of mounting pattern, you can move that block and do it in different ways to support that. If you need more information for the specific dimensions of these, I'll put a link down in the description that'll give you detailed step-by-step procedure on how to cut these out. For my mounting on these, I'm actually going really simple. So I found this basic carpet transition strip, and I cut it for the right width to actually fit on the back of these here. And with the lip coming out like this, if you do the same thing on the wall, it'll actually just lock in here. So I can take this entire panel and just hook it on there, and that's all the mounting is. I did put a little rubber foot on the bottom so that it keeps it level this direction around, and that it keeps the bottom from beating against the wall. But yeah, this is a very simple project to do. I like the way it's turned out. Having the screen behind this fabric actually allowed me to use very, very thin fabric for this. There's no way I could have done that without the screen back there. As far as your fabric of choice, you can choose basically whatever. I literally went to Walmart and picked stuff out of the clearance bin and used that. So I have this, which might not show up the best on camera, might get those weird lines if it's at angles and stuff. I got this interesting pattern, as well as this very unique, interesting pattern. That's the beauty of this sort of a project. You can choose whatever floats your boat and put it on there. Because this is DIY, it's totally up to you. So have fun with it. While these might not be everyone's first choice, I like them quite a bit. And they're going to my studio and I have to look at them every day. So I'm happy with it. And that's going to be it for this project today. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to get subscribed to catch more DIY projects just like this. I'll see you guys in the next one.